Sana hindi natin babasahin to sa front of others. It's private.
Oh.
It's private, kuya. Sana hindi. Please, lang.
Oh, go.
Yeah, I hope you're So how will ask you say? Like, how are you yourself?
Oh, Brett! It's you!
Yeah. Galing niya mag-drawing. And pretty.
I wrote about Fritzy.
Oh, cute.
Ano daw?
Oh my god.
Ipaino na kasi ang letter.
No, you cannot read it.
Ano?
Nasa sa yung letter, no? Ipaino.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Ano yan?
You can't read it.
Ano yun?
You can't read it.
Can I see konti?
No.
Bakit may fitting?
Kaya itong sinadrawin.
Oh. Bakit may fitting?
Your dad's blonde too?
Yeah.
Bakit nandyan
Don't
ako?
touch my letter, please.
Fine. Bakit nandyan ako? Ano sinabi mo?
There's this girl
Shut
that
up.
you like
Hi,
named
what?
Fritzy. Oh my gosh.
Can I sing so much?
Talking about it. Alright.
And,
Oh my god. I will grab it. You gave me.
cool.
B-I-C.
Sige mo, tanaw lang ko.
Y.
Kita ko kasi. Ganyan.
Ano?
Ba't nandun ako?
You don't want? I erase.
sige.
I erase now. Erase.
Man, super cold.
Pero ikaw yung sige.
Find it. Find it.
Ano yan? I just... Dali, gano'n na yung bisita.
Janine,
Ba't
write on it. Can you write on it?
I don't think you can.
I got something.
Lamig, lamig.
Oh.
Kahit isang ganon.
No. It's on the
Ano mo,
wrong side.
double jacket.
Ang tayo mong gingon, ang tayo mong gingon.
I gotta write something.
Fritzy, I hope. Ano?
Fritzy, I hope.
Ah.
Shotgun. Wait.
I can't. What? Fritzy, I can't? What?
No.
Kunti! 5 seconds.
Why are you
5
so
seconds.
interested?
Wala, bakit man nandun ako?
And write it.
Me?
Ryan. And
Do, di ba yung nani sa di mo?
Oo.
Kita daw ko.
Pero iba.
best friends forever.
Yeah.